looks like it, doesn't it?
We're doing the watermelon plush. Yay!
Start with a 3-inch slip knot.
There's something that is a secret.
What?
Right over here.
Make a slip knot.
How do you do it?
Create a loop. Wrap the other end around it. Pull through.
I made a slip knot. Yay!
Okay, so what do we have next? Insert working yarn into a slip knot to make a stitch. Make an 11-inch chain with stitches that are about 3 inches. Okay, so this is what they want us to make. See that? Oh, I think I know what's happening.
Oh, so that's chain.
Yeah. 1,
2,
2.
10, 11. We made a chain, you guys. We made a chain. It almost looks like a braid.
Excited?
To start the second row, make a 12th stitch and turn 90 degrees. This 12th stitch will become the first stitch of the second row. 10, 11.
Okay. So let's
Oh my
check
God.
this. Let's check this. We don't have enough string. You know what I'm saying? So let's just do. This says this one's hard. Should we try the medium one?
No.
No.
I want the watermelon.
Okay, we can do it. Say we can do it, Mom. Whoa, are you hot or is it just me? Let's do this again. Just make it a little bit
It's tiny.
tighter, right? So a little bit tighter. So we've got our slip knot, right? I wonder if there is like, oh, there's video instructions. Watermelon. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's count this in Spanish. Ready? Here we go. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11.
Okay, let's get our video back. Is it just a little wider than the plush? Where's the plush?
Here, Mama.
It's a lot wider than the plush. So we're gonna show you.
Me.
Oh, all the way undone. Check this.
Width.
Width. Doesn't matter, that's right. Good! We've made it.
Yes.
Does that look like a watermelon to you? It kind of does. Number yellow.
Number yellow.
Yellow.
Number yes. Hey guys, what's up? We made.
We're doing yarn. Fuzzy yarn.
Cool.
¿Cómo se dice yellow in español?
¿Cómo se dice yellow?
Yellow?
No sé.
No sé.
Lo siento.
Do you know how to say yellow in Spanish?
I think this is azul.
Azul. Right.
Azul.
Azul. I think this is rosa. Yellow is. No say. We don't know.
Hold on.
Touch it, and you'll remember. There you go.
This is boring.
No, this is challenging. So good. Okay.
Red.
Fantastic. That looks so good.
So fuzzy.
How do you say, ¿cómo se dice yellow in español? I've got to find out. Amarillo. I knew that. Amarillo.
No, amarilla.
Oh, feminine.
Amarilla.
Huh.
9.
9.
9. Yeah.
You know, we're trying. We're trying. Woo!
Wow,
It's so soft.
so softy.
Thank goodness there's a video, because we would be lost without it.
Tie the pink yarn to the working tail of the yellow yarn. It's a girly kind of watermelon though. It's so cute. cute. I got this for my birthday from a double birthday party at gymnastics. Go check that out.
Okay. One. Run out of pink.
Create a row of 3 on each side.
I'm out of pink. Hard. So I've got to make this smaller. Oh my gosh.
I think
It's doing so good.
I think this is do this.
We can't give up. We're doing so well. Oh. Okay. We go down to here. But see, now we can get better. So we've got 2 rows of 9. No big deal. Fold it in half. So look, easy. 1. Just make it smaller. No. Yeah, I think we put this thing in. The thing is in. Okay, ready? Thing is in. This takes patience. Okay, so now what? I don't want to lose these ones on this side, you know what I'm saying? Bottom, pull the next one through. So we're doing this one right here. So bottom, right here. This one, pull the next one through. Gosh, guys, it's starting to look like a watermelon. Guys, we've almost made it. Here we go. Stickers. Right, start in the middle. There you go. Thank you for joining us on our watermelon adventure.
I think it makes me feel happy when it has a watermelon.
Look at how cute. So cute. You are as sweet as a watermelon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next